Welcome to Mr. 845 National Geographic. Here we are in Augusta, Georgia, with this prehistoric bird with no flight feathers. I think this is a little offspring, a seedling. I want to get a little closer. Hold on, snake pit. Oh, he's trying to get away. Should I go catch him? I have my crafty assistant with me. My crafty assistant, T-Rail. Correction. Oh, it's gone. And off we're off. National Geographic. Here you are, the first flightless bird in Augusta, Georgia. His first airtime across southern waters. And he's up. Oh, if you look at the magnificent landscaping in the background, wish I had me one, bitch. On the Savannah River. Oh, hold on, check the landscape out though. See how they treat Georgia? Check it out though.